The Ministry of Health and Wellness is supporting the Central Health Region by providing this COVID-19 testing site. And this is targeting persons who are required to present a negative test to their employer, or persons who need to do X transaction at a government building where they are requesting the proof of vaccination or a negative test.
With new legislation in place as of October 1st, Dr. Beer says it is only fair to give the public access to this service free of cost. This site is being staffed by newly hired trained personnel. The ministry decided that putting the responsibility on already overworked healthcare workers would prove to be a great burden.
We are just doing like a trial for these sites to assist the healthcare workers, because the persons that are providing the services are not from persons that are employed by the Ministry of Health. You know that we are struggling providing care to patients that are hospitalized, patients that are reaching to the hospital for other services. We have healthcare workers in the flu clinics, in the COVID wards, so it's a lot going on. So we couldn't allow this to be one more task for the staff that we have at the different health facilities.
With 2 sites established, one in the City of Belmopan and a second here at the Belize City Civic Center, there are plans to expand across the country.
So eventually, depending on the turnout that we have with these 2 sites, then we will expand to the other districts. But the services will be provided in the other districts. Today we have, I guess we are more than 30 at this point, and we will see how it goes.
While there are vaccinated persons who are here because employers are requesting a negative test, despite having received 1 dose of the COVID vaccine, the majority of persons who visited the site today are unvaccinated.
The result is available in 15 minutes, but because of the paperwork, well then 20-25 minutes more or less waiting. Total process, no? Total process.
What's the brand of the test being used?
It's the standard Q, it's the biosensor. Yes, antigen rapid test.
Dr. Beer emphasized that these tests are not valid for traveling purposes. Also, the results you receive expire after 14 days. Reporting for News 5, I am Paul Lopez.